Hey out there, all you viewers to be named later. Man, we've got a great one for you today. I know, there is a big red box by Kershaw. So gee, I wonder what we're going to take a look at. I know, I told you guys we're going to look at all these series. We really truly are. So stay tuned after we roll the intro, and I'm going to show you and tell you about what came in that box. Alright, thank you so much for staying past that intro. Now, let's just get some quick housekeeping things out the way early, okay? If you like what you're about to see today, please go ahead and give me that big old thumbs up. It's going to show a lot of love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. Now, second, if you're a first-time viewer of the channel, I want to say thank you so much for finding this video. Look, I know there's lots of options out there, and I'm very, very flattered you're choosing my channel. Now, for you first-time viewers of the channel, just take one moment. Look right down here, okay? You're going to see a little channel watermark popping up. Go ahead and click on that thing. It should bring you right to subscribe. Here's why you're going to want to do it. You're going to see some goofiness today that I love to attribute with my channel. We're kind of like a burning clown car. You're never exactly sure what you're going to see, but it's going to be fun, and hopefully you're going to enjoy it. Alright, as you saw by that opening in the box and everything else, we're going to take a look at another CQC series by Kershaw. Today we're going to take a look at the 9K. I promised you we're going to bring them all to the channel, right? And this guy is a big boy. It fits beautifully in the hand with the way they have everything set up down here. Not to mention the swirl on the back. It just lays right in there beautifully if you need to actually deploy this thing. I love the little bit of jimping right here, so if you have to get in close when you're doing things, it's going to make stuff a little bit easier. And yeah, I went for kind of a gold lanyard to make it a tribute to, you know, the Boston Bruins because, well, being from Boston for a while, you gotta love the Bruins there. But still. Alright, let's get into the fun part here. Now, in the box, you got some replacement screws for, you know, the pocket clip, which I thought were cool. You've got their propaganda on how to use the wave feature, but I'm going to show you that here in this video. And you got the other, hey, Kershaw, this is important information about your brand new knife. They throw that out there with everything. But as you know by this series, it is an Ernie Emerson design. So him and Kershaw kind of teamed up, and man, they are just kicking butt with this series. I love everyone that I've got my hands on, and you're going to see them all when I can get my hands on the rest of them. It's got an overall length of 8.75 inches. The blade is 3.50 inches, and closed, it's 5.25. Now, it does have a beefier weight to it of 6.4 ounces. You are not going to forget this thing is sitting in your pocket. Trust me on that. Now, it is done what they call drop point style. I know it just looks a little off for a drop point, but that's what everybody is calling it, so I'm just going to run with that, okay? Now, it's got a hollow grind with a plain edge, and the blade steel, it's kind of an okay blade steel, 8CR14 MOV. It's going to take an edge, it's going to hold an edge for a bit, but you're going to sharpen it enough, you're going to get used to sharpening your blade. Now, it does have a black finish basically everywhere on this blade. This is one part that I don't get from blade manufacturers, okay? One side of this thing has a black G10 scale, and the other is just the bare frame. So why not take the extra $5, slap another scale on there, and make it fit perfectly or grip on great to your hand. If I didn't say, we do have a stainless steel frame with a black coat. It is a frame lock, as you can see. We do have a reversible pocket clip, so you can carry it left-hand or right-hand style, but it is only one version when you've got it in your pocket, and that's tip up. Because this thing is designed to deploy quick when you get it out of your pocket. It's got two ways to open it with, if you want to call it the thumb disc or the paddle, or the wave system, which I'll show you in a moment. You've got your lanyard hole, and it is made in China. Okay, now, let's talk about the wave system, all right? This is designed to sit in your pocket and catch your pocket right here when you're pulling it out in order to deploy the blade. Now, last time I tried doing this, I about knocked the camera off, so we're going to have a piece of paracord to kind of simulate my pocket. So when you're pulling it out, it's supposed to deploy and snap all the way out. But still, it'll break in more. This thing is, there we go. Whoops. Of course, off camera, right? Let's see if I can get that again. This thing is less than a week old in my possession, so I haven't played with it as much as I should. But still, sorry if a lot of that is off camera. All right, now we're going to get to the fun stuff that we always do. Okay? So, we're just going to pick up the paracord, and we're going to do a wonderful little pull test. Wow, right through it, no problem. Okay, I wonder if I can do this with no issue. All right, let's try slice. No problem. Okay. Thought I might have had to go somewhere else with that one. Regular old heavy-duty construction paper. All right, now let's try. Oh yeah, if I hadn't messed that up with going down and moved it a little. Got that curly cue that you guys know I love to try to get just to show you how sharp the dang thing is. And you can kind of see right there. It needs to be stropped just very briefly because I can see some yellow flecks right there. All right, our friend Mr. Ratchet Strap. All right, right through it. Okay. So now with all that fun stuff being done, I found it over on Amazon, Kershaw, and Blade HQ. Now on Amazon, it's $40.98. Over on Kershaw, it's $80.84. In Blade HQ, it's $46.95. So there is kind of some comparison between Blade HQ and Amazon, but man, Kershaw's got that price just seriously jacked up. It's been reviewed one time on Blade HQ, and it's 3 out of 5 stars. Kershaw, it's been reviewed 6 times, and it's rated a 4 out of 5 star rating. And over on Amazon, it's been reviewed 101 times for a 4 out of 5 star rating. Now, here's the fun part of the video for me. Okay, it seriously truly is. I want to know your questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, whatever down below in the comment section. Let's get a good discussion going about this thing, because like I said, I love the CQC series. They are just great little self-defense tools. But I also want to know, do you think it's nice or an F-bomb? Nice or an F-bomb? And be honest, I'd really love to know what you think, because like I said, I'm going to get them all. I really, really, truly am, because I think they're great tools to have, and I'd love to have the complete collection, you know? Alrighty, let's get this thing wrapping up. For you first-time viewers of the channel, once again, I'd love to say thank you so much for viewing this video. Like I said, I know there's lots of options out there, seeing how this blade's kind of older, and I'm very, very grateful of your viewing time today. Hopefully I earned a lot more of it. Now, for you first-timers and you long-time viewers as well, right down here, you're going to want to click if you didn't subscribe in the beginning of the video. Alright? It's going to bring you right to subscribe. After you've gone ahead and knocked that out the way, please go ahead and destroy that bell icon that's right next to it, if you wouldn't mind. That's going to notify you every single time this channel uploads a brand new video. Now, speaking of videos, 2 will be popping up right over here. Those are going to be videos that YouTube is going to select from my catalog that they think are going to be a great viewing experience for you. But there we go, guys. My quick tabletop look at the Kershaw CQC-9K. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope all of you out there have a great day today.